Naturally present bioactive compounds in plants such as vegetables, legumes, seeds, fruits, etc., are natural enhancers of good mind and body vitality. Bioactive compounds are natural substances found in plants. They are rich sources of anti-aging or aging well nutrients, anti-inflammatory and antioxidative sources. These compounds, predominantly found in whole foods, are crucial in maintaining one's physical, mental, and energy integrity. Classical sciences suggest that diet is not just about eating a particular food, but should be considered as a complex interplay of the quality, nourishment, body uptake, and ease of waste elimination. These factors combined shed light on the importance of understanding the compounds in natural foods. Bioactive compounds, or BCs, are integral to plant composition and, as classical sciences recognize, are extremely important sources of well-being. Furthermore, they categorize natural foods as gold standard nourishment. These include polyphenols, flavonoids, minerals, vitamins, etc., known for their strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Such compounds form a part of micronutrients, but are not always given as much importance as the macronutrients. Yet several of these compounds obtained from whole food sources display extremely important properties for modern-day diet-related issues. Additionally, they contain helpful properties such as anti-inflammatory actions and subsequently act as preventative, nourishing, and for the body-first diet, so to speak. For instance, in the case of concentrated forms of synthetic compounds, differ from whole foods' natural BCs. Synthetic compounds, though similar, may lack the full spectrum of the natural food matrix effects, that is, the full spectrum of a complex play of organic compounds present in a whole food source. For instance, consuming a whole courgette, which contains several natural compounds such as lutein, zeaxanthin, which are carotenoid compounds, etc., differs from consuming isolated synthetic versions of lutein and zeaxanthin. On the other side, although a high-quality supplement when taken in a proper manner and as part of a balanced diet may be helpful, however, depending on synthetic additives in synthetic vitamins, an excessive intake may influence hypervitaminosis, which can be counterproductive. Another important point on synthetic sources is that the additives and fillers within synthetic sources may have negative implications when consumed over a period of time. This again has been recognized by several available studies, suggesting that the quality, duration, and manner of consumption of a nutrient source forms an important matrix as to whether a food source or supplement is firstly understood, necessary, and consumed as part of a well-balanced approach. As classical sciences celebrate the individual, it also suggests that one size does not fit all, and that typically adjustments are needed within individual parameters when it comes to a source of bioactive compounds. The bioavailability of these compounds refers to how well our bodies can absorb and use them, greatly influenced by the source and preparation of foods. It also refers to how well the body can eliminate excess, an extremely important part of the classical approach. For instance, matching appropriate cooking methods to a particular compound can enhance the availability of these beneficial compounds when consumed. In some cases, preparatory methods can even diminish some of a compound's efficacy. A notable study on the circulatory system shows how bioactive compounds from high-quality food sources can enhance nutrient transport without disrupting the body's natural integrity. These compounds and nutrients can enhance uptake to organs, tissues, and cells, thus promoting better body status as compared to synthetic additives. One reason for this is the ease of digestibility of bioactive diets and natural foods. Classical sciences, such as Ayurveda, recognize natural diets as rich in bioactive compounds and for their exceptional therapeutic effects. Diet is treated as medicinal and, again, for the body first. Diets are tailored to balance one's doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, promoting holistic well-being. Emphasizing the biobehavior of the food apart from taste or convenience alone, that is, after food is transformed into fuel, it is distributed throughout the body. Therefore, the quality of the fuel source affects the quality of nutrients transported through the circulatory system. Classical sciences also consider the circadian rhythm for consuming food and supplements, suggesting that to preserve metabolic integrity, that is, working with the body rather than against it, the optimal practice is to consume any food or liquid in line with the circadian rhythm for a healthy individual. Supplements should be consumed before sunset so the body can work during the day, excrete excess, and recuperate optimally during rest. The circadian rhythm is a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. It influences various physiological and behavioral processes, including the timing of our eating patterns and the release of hormones. In conclusion, bioactive compounds from natural sources are important factors in eating for the body. They are considered gold standard sources of anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, and anti-aging and several nourishing compounds, vast and complex. Suitability of any food source or diet depends on individual health status and individual parameters.